Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create hyperlinks through images in Tableau. Consider this Tableau workbook. I created it while participating in a data challenge, called the Northwind Traders. It's hosted by an excellent website called Maven Analytics. This workbook contains 5 main dashboards, which includes this home page, Sales Performance Dashboard, Key Customers, Product Performance, and lastly Shippers Performance. I want to link those dashboards using these clickable images, such that it takes me to the preferred dashboard. Also, I will add this home icon to get me back to the home page, if I want to go to another one. This technique will allow you to add interactivity to your dashboards, and enable users to navigate seamlessly between different dashboards with just a click. Let's get started and dive in. Let's begin by deleting these images, and start recreating them with each other. The first step is to open a new PowerPoint file. Then, we go to the Insert tab, and choose Shapes. I will choose this shape, and type in its Sales Performance. Let's make its font type Verdana, and its font size 20. I also make its fill color gold, and the text color black. After that, right-click on the shape, and choose Save as Picture and locate it where you want. Now, we go back to our Tableau workbook. From the bottom left, we double-click on Navigation, and make it floating. Double-click on it again. We will choose to navigate to the Sales Performance dashboard. We will make it Image button, and browse for our created image. We adjust its size and position. And here it is. We can repeat the same process for each dashboard as we make for the Sales Performance. Then we can go to each dashboard and create the home icon with exactly the same steps. But we will change the Navigate option to the home page. That's it. You have successfully learned how to create hyperlinks through images in Tableau. By implementing this technique, you can make your dashboards more interactive and user-friendly. Feel free to experiment with different images and dashboards to suit your visualization needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Tableau tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.